Hello, my name is Emma, and on behalf of Group 1826, I present a video series called How Do I Do That Again? Our goal with this is to make sure nothing falls through the cracks and to alleviate your stress when it comes to bookkeeping. We want to help you navigate the daily tasks in QuickBooks that can be easy to forget or to get mixed up. Our first video will be on how to void an invoice and why this is important. Let's discuss the difference between deleting an invoice and voiding it. In the case of you making an error and just needing to correct an invoice, deleting the old one would be fine. However, if it is a customer who isn't going to pay, you'll need to keep a record of that unpaid invoice, even though you won't be collecting the money. So here you would void the invoice. I'm going to walk through this in stages. The first 3 stages are the setup. These really only need to be completed once. The next 3 phases are the actual process. These are steps that you can repeat each time you need to void an invoice. So first, let's get logged in and check your accounts receivable aging detail report. You'd go to your QBO homepage and then click Accountant Tools. Next, click Reports. Scroll down until you see the Who Owes You section and click the Accounts Receivable Aging Detail Report. Take some time to review the report and make notes of people who have outstanding invoices that you would need to write off. So in stage 2, we are going to create a bad debts expense account. Go ahead and click on the gear icon in the top right-hand corner. Next, click on Chart of Accounts. From there, find the New button, the green one in the upper right. Select the Expenses circle at the top. From the Save Accounts Under drop-down, select Expenses. From the Tax Form section drop-down, select Bad Debts. In the account name, type Bad Debts. Click Save. Knowing this only needs to happen the first time you go to void an invoice. After that, this account will be saved and you can skip this step. So, in stage 3, we will be creating a bad debt item that will act as a placeholder. Go ahead and click on the gear on the top right-hand corner again. This time hit Products and Services. Find the New button, the green one again. Select Non-Inventory. In the Name field, type Bad Debts. Then select the Income Account drop-down. From here, select Bad Debts. Click Save and Close. Again, this only needs to happen the first time you go to void an invoice. After that, this item will be saved and you can skip this step. In stage 4, we start the voiding process. These are the repeatable steps, and our goal is to make sure that all the accounts stay in balance. So, click on the plus New button on the left side navigation bar this time. Select Credit Memo. Choose the correct customer from the Customer dropdown. In the Product Service field, select Bad Debts. You could write a brief description naming the person of whom you are writing off. Then make sure to add the correct amount in the Amount field. In the Message Displayed on Credit Memo box, enter Bad Debt. Then click Save and Close. In stage 5, we will check to make sure that the credit was applied to the customer correctly. First, make sure you are on the Sales home screen. Then, click the Customers tab. From there, use the Search field to search for the customer you just created the credit memo for. You can ensure the memo was applied if you see Closed in the Payment row. In the case it didn't automatically apply, just click the plus New on the left navigation bar. Then select Receive Payment. Use the Customer dropdown to select the appropriate customer. You would then scroll down to the Outstanding Transactions section and select the right invoice. Then, from the Credit section, select the right credit memo. Finally, you'd hit Save and Close. So stage 6, the last stage I have, is just an extra step if you'd want to go back and look at all of the invoices that you've had to void. To do this, go back up to the gear icon in the very top right, select Chart of Accounts. Use the search bar by typing Bad Debts in the account, and then click or hit Enter. In the Action column, select Run Report. Use this to see all the invoices that you have voided in the past. Thanks so much for watching. We have a PDF version of these steps. If you would like a copy of this, simply email info@group1826.com with the subject line Void Invoices. So, are you feeling overwhelmed with bookkeeping tasks? Subscribe to one of our email groups for more helpful videos, or you could check out our website and see if we can be the solution that you're looking for.